Hey there, boys and girls. We are on to December's daily math. So let's begin. Day 1. So we have 6 tens and 8 ones. And that is the same amount as 5 tens and blank ones. So if we take a 10 away, because we dropped 10 from 6 to 5, we have to add that 10 to the ones. So how many ones would that be? Well, we'd have 10 plus the 8 that are there is 18 ones. All right, write two numbers that are greater than 420. That means they just need to be bigger, right? Okay, well, let's go 430. 430 is greater than 420. And let's see, 420, let's go 520. They're both greater. Okay, list 4 pairs of addends that you have a sum of 12. That means what two numbers add up to 12, okay? So we need 4 different addends that add to 12. So, let's go with 5. 5 and 7. Very good. So let's go 4. 4 and 8. And let's go 3. 3 and 9. Very good. So you'll see as the first one goes down, 5, 4, 3, the second one goes up, 7, 8, 9. So if I went 2 here, we could have 2 and 10. Okay, what time is on this clock? So I see the hour hand is between the 3 and the 4. So we know it has to be 3 something, okay? Now let's look at the minutes. And we can go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the time on this clock is 3:30. All right, show 22 minus 14 by taking jumps of 10 and 1s on the number line. Okay. So we're going to start at 22. And let's take away the 10. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is the 12. So we're coming all the way down here. So there's our jump of 10. Now we still need to take away our jumps of 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we went minus 10 on this one. And we know, let's do it like this. Since it says 1s, it didn't say by 4s, right? It said by 1s. So let's go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. So 22 minus 14 equals 8. All right, boys and girls, that was pretty sweet, huh? All right, so until tomorrow, where we get to day 2, you can see the dog Taco there. He's wagging his tail because he's so happy to see you. All right, we'll see you tomorrow, boys and girls.